second option will be 2 hours 30 minutes will be considered as 150 minutes. No need to calculate thrice, only once if you calculate, that is sufficient. As per the answer, if you calculate time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 13 of your topic called labor. So labor, which comes under your unit 4. So unit 4, nothing but your accounting. Your subject called accounting, under that we are doing unit 4. Under that we are discussing about the topic called labor. Now, what is the agenda for the day? Agenda for the day, as you know, we will understand the concept as well as we will work out problem. So the problem will be like this. We have already completed 3 problems and we are doing problem number 4. Now, in this, from the following, calculate total wages earned under Halsey plan and Rowan plan. So basic wage rate per hour, it is 12. Unit produce 2400. Time allowed for 100 units, 2 hours 30 minutes, and time taken, it is 50 hours. As I told you, whatever given here, we have to take it as a base. Now, what is the base here? 100 hours. Now, what is the actual? It is 100 units. 100 units, how much does it take? 2 hours 30 minutes. We can call it as 2.5. It is not 2 hours 50 minutes. We assumed it as 2.5. 2.5 multiplied with unit produced. What are the number of unit produced? 2400. 2400. Now, 2.5 divided by 100 multiplied with 2400. Now, if you calculate this, you will get your actual number, or we can get the standard hour. Now, actual hours taken already given, but we are supposed to calculate what? Standard time. If you simplify this, you will get standard time. Now, time taken also given. We'll go for the answer directly. There is only one person here. They have not mentioned A, B and C. So we have to consider this problem for only one person. Now, as per this, what is the formula for your Halsey plan? Your Halsey plan formula is as under time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Now, what is the time taken? 50. Hourly rate is 12. Time saved 10. Hourly rate is 12. Now, if you can simplify this, multiply, you will get 600. Multiply, you will get 120. Half of the 120 is how much? 60. 600 plus 60, you will get around 660. Now, you got around 660. Similarly, your working note. Time taken is what? 50 hours. Now, 50 hours will be your time taken. What is your standard time? We'll go for that. 2.5 divided by 100 into 100. Whatever calculation I have done here. 2.5 divided by 100 into 2400. You have one more option. What is that? 2 hours 30 minutes. 1 hour. How many minutes? We have 60. Plus 60, 120. Plus 30, it will be 150. Now, 150 minutes divided by 100 multiplied with 2400. You will get the same answer. You can go for 150 divided by 100 into 2400. Or else you can go for 2.5 divided by 100 multiplied with 2400. You can go for first option, or else you can go for second option also. Now, I'll go for the answer. The first thing, As I told you, your right side is always your working note and the left side we have answers. Now, right side whatever we have calculated, see 2.5 divided by 100 multiplied with 2400. What is your answer? Your answer is 60 hours. Now, so what is our answer? 60 hours. Now, we done with this calculation. As I told you, you have one more option. You can also go with not number of hours, number of minutes. Now, how do we calculate this? As I told you, we have second option. The second option will be 2 hours 30 minutes will be considered as 150 minutes. Now, I'll go for this working note. Only you are supposed to see the right side of the screen. Now, so we have 150 minutes divided by 100 units. Similarly, if you multiply with 2400 units, what will be your answer? Your answer 3600 minutes. The number of minutes you can convert it into hours. See, the first option we are calculating in hours. Whatever answer we will get, that is answer is in the hours only. Second one, we are converted to minutes. The final answer should be converted to hours. Now, if you simplify 3600 minutes divided by 60, you will get 60 hours. Now, time saved is equal to standard time minus time taken. It is 10 hours. Hope you understood. What is this? 10 hours. Now, we're done with your 10 hours means the 10 hours we call it as time saved. Now, 60 minus 50, the answer is 10. The time saved is called as 10. Now, again I'll go back to your answer. Now, as per the answer, if you calculate time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Now, time taken 50 with 12, 10 with 12. 600 and half of the 120 is 60. Your final answer 660. Similarly, we'll go for your second one. That will be your row 1 plan. We're done with Halsey and we are doing row 1. Now, time taken into hourly rate. Time taken into hourly rate. This is nothing but time saved divided by standard time. Now, 50 multiplied with 12, 50 multiplied with 12. What is the answer? 10 by 60. It will be 600 into 10 by 60. How much you will get? 100. How much is here? 600. Total is how much? It is 700. Hope you are clear. What is your answer? 700. Now, we're done with your Halsey plan and we're done with your row 1 plan. This is all about your Halsey and row 1. What is the extra adjustment? Time saved. You are supposed to calculate. Hope you understood. Now, we'll go for your problem number 5, the next problem. Now, here we have 3 persons. One will be Raju, Ram and Mohan. I don't spend much time on this. Why? Because this will be your work. So that you have to work out this problem at home. Just I'll show you the answer, but you're supposed to work out at home. And I'll give you a brief idea about this and the calculation part and all you're supposed to do. Now, from the following information, calculate earning of the workers under Halsey as well as row 1. In this first one, they have given row 1. Second one will be Halsey. In any order, you can solve the answer. But heading must be there clearly. Now, actual time taken 12 hours, 24 hours, 36 hours. Now, what are the units produced? 300, 300 as well as 300. How to calculate now? See, hourly rate is 10. It is common. Standard output per hour. What is the standard output? 10 units. Remember, per hour standard output is 10 units. 10 units is what? Your base. This is what? 1. This is what? 300. You will get 30 hours as your standard time. Hope you understood. What is the base here? 10 units. Per per 1 hour. 1 hour divided by 10. For everybody, it is 300. No need to calculate thrice. Only once if you calculate, that is sufficient. Now, 1 divided by 10 multiplied with 300 will be your answer. Hope you understood. Now I'll go to your answer. As I told you, the right side is your working note, left side is your answer. Now, as per this, time taken. So how much it is? Raju, it is 12 hours. Ram, 24. Mohan, 36. These are the time taken. Now, hourly rate is how much and standard time is how much? Now, hourly rate is 10. Standard time we have calculated. I'll go to next page for the working note. Standard time they have calculated 30 hours. We have already calculated this. This is your standard time. Now, I'll come back to your answer. We'll go to your answer in this. Wholesale plan, time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. What is the time taken? 12. What is the hourly rate? 10. What is the time saved? As per this, 12 hours he has taken means 30 minus 12. He has saved 18. 30 minus 24. He has saved 6. 30 minus 36. Have you saved? No. He has not saved. He has taken 6 hours more extra. He has taken 6 hours extra. We call it as it is not saved. There is no time saved for the third as well as last person. Now, as per this first one, wholesale plan, we are done with this. Time saved 18, hourly rate is 10. If you multiply, it will be 120, it will be 90. The total is 210. Similarly, it will be 240, it will be time saved is 6, 60, half of the 60 is 30. The final answer is called as 270. Hope you are done with the first part of Raju as well as Ram. Who is the third person is called Mohan. These are the working notes we already done. 360, what is the time saved? Nil. Why it is nil? Standard hour is 30, but he has taken 36. So he has taken 6 hours extra. 6 hours extra means he has not saved anything. So what is this? This will be 360. Hope you're clear. So these are the answer. I'll come back. Raju has taken 210 and Ram has taken 270 and Mohan has taken 360. Now, standard time for 300 units. These are the working notes. As I told you, 1 divided by 10 multiplied with 300. You will get 30 hours as standard time. So we'll go for your solution part like your row 1. Before we go to row 1, we have a note. What is that note? Actual time taken is more than the standard time of Mohan. His paid is guaranteed time wages which is assured under wholesale plan. Earning is equal to time taken into hourly rate. What is the time taken? 36. What is the hourly rate? 10. Multiply, this will be 360. There is nothing but your last person, Mohan. So, this is all about your Raj, Ram as well as your time saved, time saved. It is already calculated. No need of calculating again. This is all about, remember, working note. Now, we'll go for the last one, that is your row 1 plan. Now, what is the formula? Time taken into hourly rate, time taken into hourly rate. This is nothing but time saved divided by standard time. In this, Raju, 12 multiplied with 10, 12 multiplied with 10. 18 by 30. 18 is what? Time saved. How come? 30, he has taken only 12 hours means he has saved how many hours? 18 hours. Calculate 120 plus 18 by 30, it will be 120. 120 plus 72, this will be 190 2. So no need of explanation. Why? Because everything as it is same as what we did in the previous. As I told you, these are your work note like you're supposed to do at your home. Just I am briefing out how the calculations are. Similarly, we have calculated for Ram, and similarly we have calculated for your Mohan also. Mohan is 330 and Ram is 288. Now, here also same thing. The Ram will not get any extra payment. Why? Because he has not done anything. He has not even saved the time. I'll go back to all these slides so that you can take screenshot. So this is your problem number 4, your solution part, second part of your solution. Your problem number 5, the solution part, the second part of your solution, the next part of your solution, next one, and the last part. Yes, these are the working notes. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what is labor. We'll spend another 1 or 2 more sessions to finalize or wind up with this particular topic. Thank you.